Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy technoboy, and what you're seeing now is a Kodak Smart TV. And so today I'm gonna tell you how to install the Geo TV app in this Smart TV or any Android Smart TV. So first of all, in any Smart TV, if you go to the Play Store and try to download the Geo TV, you'll find out that you cannot download Geo TV app in any TV other than any mobile or tab device like that. So there are a few ways to do that. So I'm going to tell you now. So first of all, you can share your mobile data with your TV, but that is going to be a little bit of tough job than the others I'm going to tell you now. So first of all, what you can do, you can download the GeoTV APK in your PC or laptop, and then copy the GeoTV APK file to your pen drive, and you can connect the pen drive here to the TV, and from there you can install the GeoTV app. And another thing you can do, you can connect an external hard disk drive, like I have tried a 1 TB hard drive, and it can read that the whole drive. So if you have the APK app on the hard drive, external hard drive, or if you download to the hard drive, and then you can connect the hard drive here, and from there you can install the GeoTV app. And these were the two options. And the third one, there will be a browser in all the Android device, anything, whatever, mobile, TV, everything, everywhere. Let me show you that now. If you can see, that's the browser at the middle here. That is the browser. So you'll find browser in any Android device. Let me show you that. Now that's the browser is opening. Okay, we'll go to the Google. All right, here, type, it's already done here, GeoTV. Now you'll see there will be a lot of pages, and what you need to do is, there is a site there you can see download GeoTV Live TV Catch Up APK for Android. So you can see that. So if you can see there, this is a softsonic.com. So I can go there. Now here you can see download the APK. If you click on that, it will be downloaded, and from there you can install the app. Now let me show you that where you'll find that. So for that you need to go back, and here and to go to the app manager, and then you'll find three options: uninstall, install, and clean. So you need to click on install, and you can see this is the internal and external. So internal means the TV's internal storage, and the external would be anything that you connect through the USB. So that's the internal. GeoTV APK file will be here, just like this. I have downloaded before, and from here you double click on that. Let me show you that. Double click on that, and you can see this pop-up box will come up, and there will be install and cancel. So you just click on install, and it will be installed. So that's it, guys. That's how you can install GeoTV app in any smart TV, just like this one. So that's it, guys. That's all for today, and hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.